If you're looking for a wired mechanical keyboard that offers customization, comfort, and cross-platform support without overcomplicating things, the Keychron C3 Pro is definitely worth considering. Hey, I'm Top 5 Trey, and today we're taking a detailed look at the Keychron C3 Pro QMK/VIA custom gaming keyboard, a compact, tanky-less mechanical keyboard built for gamers, creators, and professionals who want performance, customization, and reliability without unnecessary extras. The Keychron C3 Pro is designed around a clean and practical approach to mechanical keyboards. It features an 87-key 10-keyless layout, which removes the number pad while keeping all the essential keys you need for gaming, typing, and productivity. This layout frees up desk space, gives you more room for mouse movement, and keeps everything within easy reach. Right out of the box, the C3 Pro feels solid and well built. The keyboard uses a gasket-mounted design, which is something you usually see on higher-end custom keyboards. This mounting style helps soften keystrokes and reduce harsh vibrations, making typing and gaming more comfortable over long sessions. Each key press feels controlled, cushioned, and more refined compared to traditional tray-mounted keyboards. One of the biggest strengths of the Keychron C3 Pro is QMK and VIA support. This gives you deep customization over your keyboard layout. You can remap keys, create macros, and set up custom layers to match your workflow or gaming style. Whether you want shortcuts for productivity, macros for gaming, or custom layouts for different programs, the flexibility here is impressive. Overall, the Keychron C3 Pro QMK/VIA custom gaming keyboard is a well-balanced and practical mechanical keyboard. It combines a compact TKL layout, gasket-mounted comfort, tactile brown switches, red LED backlighting, and powerful customization into one clean and dependable package. If you're looking for a wired mechanical keyboard that offers customization, comfort, and cross-platform support without overcomplicating things, the Keychron C3 Pro is definitely worth considering.
You just got your top 5 fix. Now hit subscribe, save it, and binge the channel. Trust me, you'll want to stick around.